Oh, hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, Knowing an Angel. Or more like, oh my god. So I am super excited because I know it's been a long minute since I have done a makeup video, but well, here I am. I'm gonna be making a makeup video, and I'm excited because I'm gonna be playing with a very exciting palette from Laviedunprince. Oh my god, am I saying that right? Laviedunprince. Oh my god. So yeah, honestly, I am super excited. I'm gonna get to play with this beautiful palette by Laviedunprince, which is so beautiful, from BH Cosmetic. And let me tell you, honey, the colors in this palette and the presentation is so beautiful. It has the beautiful butterflies, the holographics. Oh my god. And let's talk about the colors. OMG. Look at these beautiful colors. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So I hope this video comes out okay. As you guys know, I don't have much experience in makeup, but here I am again. I'm gonna give it another try and make it super excited. So stay tuned, honeys, because this video is gonna be super fun, colorful, and especially super excited. Oh my god. Oh, more like Well, my face is already been prepped. I already washed it with a nice cleanser. I put some moisturizer, prepped my face really nice. So I'm gonna be putting some primer, I'm gonna be putting some foundation and all that cool stuff. So stay tuned, honey, and let's make this video super fun and excited. Oh! And I'm super excited because I'm gonna be playing with some new set of brushes by BH Cosmetic, and they're called Poolside Chic. Look at that, so beautiful, the design and everything. And they came in this little beautiful pack with a lot of holographics. Oh my god, everything has holographics today. Oh, I need to try like that. Awkward. So in the brushes, honestly, they look so beautiful. I already took the little plastic that they came with. I have so many brushes. I'm gonna be playing with this set today. I'm gonna be putting some primer. Ooh. OMG. So I know it's been a while, guys, and I'm sorry about that, but I promise I'm gonna start playing with makeup and get with it, honey, cause trust and believe what happened is just I've been a little sick, stuff has been going on, family's been busy, and so, ooh. But here I am, honeys, I ain't going anywhere. Now I'm gonna proceed and do my eyebrows, and I'm gonna be trying from Benefit. I got a eyebrows kit. It's called the Gray Brow Basics. Oh my god, which I'm a little nervous, so I don't know how I'm gonna be using this because I'm very new at this, but I look at this, it comes in this beautiful cute container. It's like metallic. And it have like two different pens. And it's like a brow volumizing to get some volume to your eyebrows and the pen. It has like a 10 pen and a thick pen. I'm gonna be using the thicker one because I heard that the 10 one is a little more pro, so I'm scared. Oh my god, I've been using the other one for a long time, so this is the first time I'm gonna be playing with this, so wish me luck. Oh, I don't know how to do it. Ooh. Love set. This set is so beautiful. Oh yeah, I love it. Nice, cute, and easy. Okay, I'm gonna do the other one and I'll be back. Oh! Now I'm gonna use my eye primer by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I love this primer, it's so cool because it's so light, you know, so you can totally see the color everywhere. You don't need too much, a little bit is more than enough. Oh! Here we go. Lobster. Okay, and I'm gonna put a little bit of setting powder or translucent powder. So far I'm loving these brushes. They're super cute. Ooh, awkward. Okay, now I'm gonna start with this beautiful color that is called Cocoon. It's like a beautiful neon green, a little bit. I'm a little nervous, guys. Okay, I'm gonna try to do my own look, inspiring by his look, and see what do I come out with. Pray for me, please. I'm a little nervous. I'm gonna put it around the crease. Oh my god, this color is so pigmented. Ooh, I love how pigmented it is. Wow, guys, look at that color. It's so beautiful. Ooh. It's like a blending brush, and I'm gonna try to blend it out. Wow, guys, I literally love this color. It's like a perfect green, you know, like as you can see, not really fall out, and wow, blends like so beautiful. Oh, I'm gonna grab the brush number 11, this one, and I'm gonna put a little bit of the blue. It's called Cielo. Oh my god, let's see what happens between the middle crease and the corner eye. I'm blending the color, the blue with the beautiful green, while I'm blending Cielo with Cocoon. And I love it that it's so easy to blend. Blending like magic. Wow, super cute. Now with a blending brush, I'm just gonna try to blend it. I'm loving it, but I'm getting a little scared. Wow, yeah, I'm loving those colors. Oh my god, what else should I do? So now I'm gonna clean my crease a little bit because I'm gonna cut my crease. Okay, I cleaned out my crease a little bit, and now I'm gonna cut my crease with a little more of eye primer. I cut my crease. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of setting powder to set everything up. Now I'm gonna apply some of the Monarch, which is like the orange, within this inner corner. Ooh, love set. Look at that, so beautiful. Okay, now with the same brush, I clean the brush up. Now I'm gonna use the Metamorphosis, which is this color over here. It's kind of orangey, peachy, something like that. And I'm gonna do that around this cute area over here. Look at that, those colors are gorgeous. Love it. And now I'm gonna break the rules a little bit. I mean, oh my god, I don't know if that's breaking the rules or not. But I feel like I wanna put La Vie, oh my god, which is like this pink color, this one over here. Oh my god, should I do that or what? What do you think? Oh my god. Ooh. I'm scared. Oh wait, should I? Yeah, let's do it. I'm gonna put this one over here a little bit and see what happens. clean it up a little bit. Ooh, loves it. So I'm gonna use this metallic liquid liner from ColourPop. Haven't used it for a video, but I tried a couple times. And I'm gonna put it around this area over here. I wanna see the gold pop and cute. Ooh, it's totally there. It looks so much better in real life. Awkward. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of Lavie in here. Then I'm gonna go back to the Metamorphosis and put it a little bit here in the middle of my eyeliner. Ooh, I love it. And of course, I'm gonna finish the corner with the cute monarch. Oh my god. So keep cleaning your brush. Ooh. Oh my god, so far I'm loving the look. And I guess, honey, this is my own look. And I'm gonna use a little bit of this color Brillo to put it around here in my brow bone. Yeah, that's cute. So I'm gonna go back with the cocoon. And I'm gonna touch up the blue with cielo a little bit. Just to give it more drama. So I'm gonna use a little more of the Brillo and put it on this little corner, just a little tiny bit. Wow, I'm loving it. So far, so good. I don't know, what do you guys think, guys? I know it's a little dramatic look, but awkward. So now I'm gonna do my eyelashes. But you know what, before I do my eyelashes, let me do the rest of my face first because awkward. Using the foundation from BH Cosmetic, and I'm gonna be using the blender brush that my sister Sandra gave me. Thank you, Seth. Oh my. Those eye primer around my eye area. I'm gonna use my brush number 1. I'm gonna put some setting powder so we can bake this up. Oh! Now a little bit of contour. I'm gonna use these two from my contour palette. Oh my god, the one that I've been having for a long time. Now I'm gonna be using the blush, the trio blush from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm so excited. I've been wanting to try this for a long time. Ooh, look at her, she's fancy. Ooh, look at that, I love these colors. So let me see, which one should I use? Oh my god, should I be dramatic and use this one? Let's see what is this one do. So this is supposed to be the blush. Oh my, you can really see her. She's showing up. Now I'm gonna be using the highlighter, and it's from Anastasia Beverly Hills as well. And I'm kind of scared because I don't even know what ones are mine or not, but I guess let's play with this one over here. Oh my god, the pink heart. Or more like, let's put a little more of setting powder, cause honey, trust and believe I'm shining. I always like to put a little bit of setting powder afterward, just to kind of like even out the drama. So I'm gonna be using this natural cartel that I got on my Ipsy box lipstick. Let's use this one and see what's up. Now on top of that, I'm gonna put my favorite lip gloss from Tarte. I love this lip gloss so much. I actually use it a lot, believe it or not. It's because I want my lips to be a little bit sparkly. Ooh. Wow, the look is coming super cool. Okay, so now I guess it's time for my eyelashes, for my fake lashes. Oh! Well, before I put my lashes, I'm gonna put my setting spray so it starts drying. Oh! Woo. Oh my god, you always get scared of doing this. Oh my god. But here we go. Before I put my lashes, I need to put my mascara. Oh my god. And this mascara is from Tarte as well. I love it. Okay, here we go. I put a glue, let it sit for a few seconds. Oh my god. Wish me luck. Ooh, I think I did, guys. Wow, I'm proud of myself. Well, beautiful thing, just like that, the video is done. I'm done with the look, I'm done with my makeup, and let me tell you, I am super happy with the final result. The palette was extremely easy to work with. I love every single color. Oh my god, they were like to die for. Honestly, I would totally recommend it to get it. Oh, I mean, look at those colors, look at those eyes, everything. It was super beautiful. And I like the highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills, the same as the blush and all that extra little cute stuff that I used. Everything was amazing. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. Mwah! Love you all, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I see you soon in Knowing an Angel. Oh, or more like